Hey curly crew, this video is going to be about my braids takedown process from removing my braids, getting rid of build up and ending up with these juicy twists. So stay tuned. So I did these braids in January 2021 and they stayed in for 2 months.
One eternity later.
You can see this is how my braids were looking. The braids themselves look decent, but obviously my hair had grown out a lot. I'm gonna say you're gonna need to do this when you have some time and some patience. For me, the process is a bit long, but definitely worth it. So I've put my hair up in a ponytail and now I am going down each individual braid and just seeing where my own hair ends, because no, I do not want to cut my own hair. I've grabbed a pair of scissors and I've just gone snip. I've cut the braid. So after I've cut the braid, you can see I'm just literally taking it out and removing it out of my hair. Not rocket science, very, very simple. One thing I'm going to add about this process is you are going to get a lot of shed hair coming out. So as I said, you just need to just take your time. Like, you don't want to be ripping these out of your hair. It's a bad idea. You want to preserve the length that you got. You can see the amount of buildup I have near the root. Obviously, I've been moisturizing, putting oils and all of that stuff in my hair while I had the braids in. This is my hair with all of the braids removed. I have build up old product, etc. on my hair. So this is going to be somewhat detangled before I start washing. You're going to see me using a lot of products in this video just because this is my opportunity to use up old products. For example, this Palmer's co-wash, I didn't like it very much, but it's perfect for taking out shed hair and detangling my hair because it's all going to get washed out anyway. So I've squirted a lot of it into my hands. I've worked it through my hair and then I'm going in with some coconut oil, just melting it in my hands. You can tell it's winter because it's all frozen. It's all hard, but obviously putting it in your hands, it melts very quickly. And now I'm working that through my hair. Now I can see that at the very back I need to add some extra coconut oil because I have quite a lot of build up around there. The very back of my hair is also very prone to tangling, so I have to exercise extra patience for that section to make sure that, you know, I don't rip out my hair, don't damage my hair in the process. You don't want to do that. So you're going to see like the little bits of hair are just going to keep coming out in my hands because this is what happens. I'm also going to suggest don't do this in a place that you want to like keep clean. Maybe somewhere that's easy to hoover when you're done. After I've done some finger detangling and removed some shed hair, I have now gone in with some more product and then I'm using this easy detangler brush, or rather the same brush that I bought from Amazon, and I'm using this to detangle my hair. I find this brush excellent for really getting into my roots and detangling my hair well. When I'm happy that I've detangled my hair enough, then I decide to put my hair into twists and I just keep going. So you're going to see that I repeat this process over and over for each section. I like to start my hair at the back and then move my way to the front. You don't need any precision to this at all. I've just literally done large chunky twists. Again, I am using some of this Tresemme conditioner. One thing I'm going to say about Tresemme conditioners, you're always going to get slip. I'm literally slicking it onto my hair and it's not going to work very well for this process if you just put on a little bit of product. You really do need to put a lot of product in your hair. You need to create that slip. Also, because for this process so far, I have not added water to my hair because I don't want my hair to fully curl up before I've removed the shed hair, because that will cause tangling, which is what I don't want. So after all of the removing shed hair, detangling so far, these are the chunky twists I have in my head. You can see I still have build up, but that's fine because it's about to be hair wash time. And brace yourself, this is how much hair I lost in the process. It's pretty densely packed in there. I have used 2 shampoos here, Palmer's Natural Fusions one, clarifying shampoo, and then I've used the Pantene Moisture Boost, a moisturizing shampoo, because I really need to get all of the dirt and gunk out. Also, my hair has some hydration put back into it. I've used 2 Palmer's Natural Fusions conditioners. It was pretty dry and just needed some TLC. So after my hair has been washed, I did just the scalp check because I wanted to double check that there's no build up or residue left on my scalp, which there wasn't, so I was really happy about that. So I've gone in with this Neem and Baruti Style Hold and also the Mallow Root Leave-In Conditioner, just because these are very hydrating products. And then you can see I've used my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush because I'm about to do my final twist for my style. This really distributes products very, very well through my hair and also just makes my cuticles lie down beautifully. It always produces excellent results in terms of twists for me. So this is why I always use this brush when I'm going to do twists. I've used this Cocoa Shea spray because I believe the Style Hold ran out. But again, you don't have to use all of this. I was just trying to use up product. The larger sections, I've now broken them up into smaller twists just to keep it simple. I just find it easier this way rather than having to like part off my hair and all of that stuff. And my twists, if I say so myself, are looking very juicy and happy. So fast forward to the end results. You can see my hair has really beautiful spring and bounce. You can see the health and shine of my hair after I've done this process. This can be a bit of a time-consuming process, but honestly, using conditioner and coconut oil makes it a lot easier and a lot quicker. And also, if you care about the health of your hair, then it's just important to take time to remove shed hair and to hydrate your hair after braids, because you know your hair just needs all of that love. Also, big shout out to Abba and Preach for entertaining me during the filming of this video. So that's everything. I hope that you enjoyed the process and this video. Do leave any comments and questions in the comment section below this video. And if you like natural hair content like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with a friend. You can also hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. Wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon on the Curly Closet. Take care.